welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a bold, beautiful blue makeup tutorial featuring the black Radiance blue lipstick called Bad Gal. So at first I'm going to prime my face with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer, and this is a soft matte primer. It's not totally matte, but it's just a little bit soft like the name says. Now I like to put this all over my face, and this primer really helps my makeup last throughout the day without increasing the oil in my face, because my face is oily. Next, after that, I'm going to go in with my two favorite foundations. The first one is a Smashbox Studio Skin 15-Hour Wear Hydrating Foundation. The next one is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Long Wear Foundation. Now, for the Smashbox, the color that I'm going to be wearing is the 4.05. And then for the Fenty Beauty, I am going to be wearing the color 390. Now, I do like to mix both of these foundations together because I feel like both of them together give me a nice, beautiful skin tone complexion. And it gives me that more natural look. I feel like the Fenty Beauty kind of gives me more coverage than the Studio Fix. So that's kind of why I kind of like blend it all together. And plus, for some reason, I just still cannot find the correct shade of the Fenty Beauty. So we're going to just do like this. So I'm going to go ahead and blend these colors both into my face until it's all nice and blended evenly, sis. Okay, thank you, sis. Next, I'm going to go ahead and just focus on my eyebrows. So I'm going to go ahead and take my spoolie and just brush my eyebrow just to clean it up a bit. And then I'm going to go ahead and take this good old Dollar Tree. I believe this is a LA Color eyeliner or lip liner. It might actually be a lip liner. And it is in the color dark brown. I like to use this cheap old eyeliner just to line up my eyes. And then I go back in with my spoolie just to go ahead and clean it all up. Then for my concealer, I love to use the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, and this is in the color Walnut. It's a medium dark color, and it is just so beautiful. Like the name says, Radiant Creamy Concealer, it is very radiant, sis, on my skin, and it's very creamy, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and apply the concealer underneath my eyes, foreheads, on my chin, down the bridge of my nose, and as well as above my lip. And I'm going to go ahead and take this good old beauty blender and just blend it all out. Now I do want to just note, just to make sure that your beauty blender is wet when you're blending, because it just makes all the makeup just blend evenly together and just work well together. Just a little tip, sis. So once I'm done blending everything with my beauty blender, I like to go back in with my foundation brush just to blend it in just a little bit more. So then, just to set my makeup, I love to use the Laura Mercier. I don't even know if I'm pronouncing this right at this point. The Laura Mercier setting powder, translucent powder in the color Deep. Now I love the color Deep compared to the lighter one because obviously I feel like this just matches my skin a little bit more. So yes, I love this setting powder so much. It gives me that nice, beautiful matte finish, and it really prevents the oil from just seeping through the skin, sis, because I do not like the dewy finish type of look, okay? So while I'm letting my powder sit, I'm going to go in with my Benefits mascara, and this is the Bad Girl Bang mascara. Now I don't really wear lashes or anything like that, and I feel like this mascara gives my eyelashes the extra oomph that I need. My eyelashes are naturally long, so I just feel like this just enhances it even more. So once I'm done applying my mascara, I like to go in with my blush brush, I guess, I don't really know, and just pretty much just blend out all of that setting powder into my skin and just blend off all the excess. Once I'm done with that, you know, I like to do like a little dance since I'm almost done. Yes, okay. So then I like to go in with my color Raine highlighter, and this is in the color your treat, and it is a beautiful gold color. Now I couldn't really show y'all because it was all cracked up, but just look it up, it looks nice. So then I'm going to go ahead and take the NYX Matte Finish Setting Powder and just spray it all over my face just to set my makeup, because this we're almost done, but we're not completely done. Then I'm going to go in with a good old Black Radiance HD Lip Sculptor in this beautiful blue color called Bad Gal, because we're going to be a bad gal today. Okay, not too bad. We still a little nice, but you know, this makeup is a little bad, okay? And I'm gonna go ahead and just line my lip with this lipstick, and I love this lipstick so much. It is very bold and beautiful, and it is a nice creamy matte finish. There's no type of glitter in it. It comes on very, very smooth, and it also feels like it's hydrating your lips at the same time, and we like that, okay? So this is my finished look of my makeup, but obviously I'm not going out with this bonnet, sis, okay? So you guys, just to finish off this look, I'm going to go ahead and wrap a turban on my head, and it's beautiful, beautiful fabric that I found at Target a couple months ago in this blue and yellow color. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap it around my head real quickly, and this is the complete final look. So if y'all did enjoy this video, go ahead and give this video a nice thumbs up. And if you haven't already, click that subscribe button and hit that bell button so you're notified every single time when I post a new video. Bye guys.